Hi everyone, welcome to this video series where we explore how generative AI can creatively solve puzzles like the New York Times connection puzzle. As noted on this slide, this work was greatly assisted by ChatGPT, Perplexity AI, and GitHub Copilot. Before we dive in, I want to highlight two inspiring YouTube videos that influenced this project. First, a talk by Andrew Ng on agentic workflows. Second, a webinar by a company showcasing their approach to agentic workflows. In this series, we will cover the following topics. In this video, an introduction to the connection puzzle and how to play it. The next video demonstrates how an agentic virtual assistant helps in solving the puzzle. In future videos, a deeper dive into agentic workflow concepts, design, implementation, and lessons learned. At the bottom of the slide, there is a link to the GitHub repo containing source code for this project. Now that we have the intro covered, let's get started. The connection puzzle is a daily word game by the New York Times. Players are presented with a 4x4 grid of 16 words and must organize them into 4 groups of 4 based on common themes, ideas, or associations. While some groups are straightforward, others are more subtle and abstract. Some words overlap in themes, making the puzzle tricky, as words might appear to fit multiple categories, but only one combination is correct. Once a correct word group is identified, the puzzle color codes the group. The easiest group is highlighted in yellow, while progressively harder groups are marked green, blue, and finally purple, which represents the most challenging set of words. Let's walk through an example from October 22nd. On the left, you see the games page on the New York Times website. By clicking Connection, the puzzle opens on the right, displaying a 4x4 grid of 16 words. The goal? Group the words into 4 categories. You have 4 mistakes allowed, represented by the 4 dots at the bottom. Let's start finding the first group of words. In our first attempt, we try to form the first group with designer, engineer, mastermind, and concoct. These words seem to involved with coming up with ideas. Unfortunately, this was not a correct group, costing 1 mistake. In the second attempt, we grouped bingo, Marco Polo, tag, and Uno with the common theme of games, which turned out to be correct. This turned out to be the purple group. Note, however, the word mastermind is also a game. Could have led to a mistake if we used it instead of one of the other words. This highlights the complexity of word meanings. In our third attempt, we selected words Galileo, Pioneer, Viking, and Voyager. These are linked by the theme of satellites, or a spacecraft resulted in finding the blue group. In the fourth attempt, we selected words related to the idea of fashion terms, hot, designer, luxury, and high-end. This resulted in finding the yellow group. The final group forms automatically from the remaining last 4 words. This group is the green group, and the connection for these words is the vise. In the next video, we demonstrate how the agentic virtual assistant works in helping to solve a puzzle. In the following videos, a deeper dive into design, implementation, and lessons learned. A link to the GitHub repository with the solver's source code is provided below. If you're intrigued by puzzles and AI as I am, stay tuned. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Like and subscribe to follow this series.